Imagine stepping into a tiny Tokyo apartment. No shoes by the door, no mail piled on the table, no half-folded laundry on the couch. Just total calm. And no, they didn't spend 4 hours deep cleaning, and they don't have massive closets. Japanese homes stay spotless because of a few effortless habits built into the day. Here are 9 Japanese cleaning habits you can start using tonight, no matter how small your space is or how busy you are. Habit number 1. Genkan. In Japan, the second you walk through the door, you stop at the Genkan, a small lowered entryway. Shoes come off instantly. This isn't just a polite gesture, it's a filter. Think about what's on the bottom of your shoes right now. Street grime, public restroom floors, pavement bacteria. When you make your front door a hard boundary for shoes, 80% of the dirt in your house never even enters. Switch to indoor slippers at the door and keep a separate pair just for the bathroom. It means less sweeping, less mopping, and floors that stay clean for days instead of hours. Habit number 2. The one-touch rule. Here is a single habit that will double your free time. When you pick up a bowl, a bag, or your keys, finish its journey right then and there. Don't set your jacket on the couch just for a second. Don't leave your coffee mug on the desk for later. If you touch an item, put it where it actually belongs. When you stop creating temporary piles, your home basically cleans itself in the background. Habit number 3. Everything has a home. Ever spend 15 minutes frantically searching for your keys or a charger? In a Japanese home, that almost never happens. Why? Because nothing exists in limbo. The rule is simple. Every single item you own must have a permanent, designated spot. Not a temporary pile on the counter, but an actual home. When everything has an address, putting things away becomes automatic. What is the one item in your house right now that never seems to have a real spot? Let me know in the comments. Habit number 4. The 10-minute micro reset. Forget 5-hour Saturday deep cleans. They suck your weekend dry and leave you exhausted. Japanese households rely on micro-cleaning, a quick 10-minute daily reset. Set a timer on your phone for 10 minutes every evening. Clear the kitchen counter, throw away trash, put things back in their homes, and do a lightning-fast sweep of high-traffic floors. When the timer dings, you're done. 10 minutes a day completely eliminates the need for massive weekend cleaning sessions. Habit number 5. Clean as you transition. Instead of blocking out cleaning time, Japanese routines attach cleaning to moments that are already happening. Finished eating? Wipe the table instantly. Takes 15 seconds. Done brushing your teeth? Give the sink a quick wipe with a towel. Takes 10 seconds. Heading to bed? Fluff the couch pillows on your way out. Because the cleanup is stitched directly onto the end of an activity, mess never has a chance to stack up. Habit number 6. The daily bathroom anti-mold ritual. Japan gets super humid, making bathrooms mold central. To fight this, the shower doesn't end when the water turns off. It ends when the room is dry. Immediately after showering, spend 30 seconds running a quick squeegee over the glass and shower walls, then turn on the exhaust fan. By removing standing water instantly, mold can't grow. That 30-second habit saves you hours of grueling tile scrubbing down the road. Habit number 7. Resetting the toilet daily. In Japan, cleaning the toilet isn't a horrifying weekend chore. It's a quick 60-second morning reset. In fact, Japanese schools have kids clean their own classrooms and toilets daily to build respect for shared spaces. At home, keeping a pack of quick disinfecting wipes nearby makes it effortless. Wipe the seat, wipe the rim, done. Doing a tiny pass every morning keeps stains, odors, and germs from ever building up in the first place. Habit number 8. Caring for your tools. There's a Japanese concept called motanai, the regret of wasting things. This extends directly to cleaning tools. If your vacuum filter is clogged or your washing machine smells musty, you're just spreading dirty air and water around. Take care of the tools that clean your home. Clean your washing machine drum once a month, rinse out vacuum filters, and rinse and dry your mops properly. Well-maintained tools work twice as fast and last twice as long. Finally, habit number 9, Oosouji, which translates to big cleaning. Every December, Japan undergoes a nationwide ritual where homes, offices, and schools are cleaned from top to bottom. But it's not just physical, It's psychological. It's about letting go of the past year's clutter to welcome the new year with a clean slate. You don't have to wait until December. Once or twice a year, open the windows, declutter what you don't need, and do a complete system reboot. It gives all your small daily habits room to work. Notice how none of these habits require expensive gadgets, fancy sprays, or hours of free time? It's all about small, quiet resets built into your day. Don't try to adopt all 9 overnight. Pick just one to try this week. Which habit are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to simplify your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.